Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word plagiarism. We're going to answer two important questions. What does plagiarism mean? And how do you pronounce the word plagiarism? Thanks for joining me. I'm super excited, and let's get started. Plagiarism is a noun, and it means taking credit for someone else's writings or ideas. Let me repeat that one more time. Plagiarism is a noun, and it means taking credit for someone's writings or ideas. So plagiarism is a noun, but plagiarize is a verb. It's an action. So I will be focusing on plagiarism, but also be familiar with the word plagiarize. In order to better understand the meaning of the word plagiarism, let's read an example sentence. The professor checked every student's work for plagiarism. The professor checked every student's work for plagiarism. Example number 2. Although everyone thought the journalist committed plagiarism, no one could prove it. Although everyone thought the journalist committed plagiarism, no one could prove it. Now, plagiarism is a 4-syllable word. Plagiarism. I've included the phonetic spelling on this screen so that you can see how to pronounce the word plagiarism. But let's go ahead and practice right now. I will repeat the word 3 times. I want you to listen first and then repeat after me. Let's get started. Plagiarism. Plagiarism. Good job, everybody. Last time. Plagiarism. If you want to practice pronouncing the word, repeat this section as many times as you need. Check out these recommended videos and be sure to write a word that you would like to learn more about, and I will try to make a video about it. Have a great day.